Hi Sam. Today, we're diving into the word
politisch,
Hi Alex.
politisch,
What does that mean?
It means political in English. It's used to describe anything related to government or politics. The most common meaning is about politics itself, but you should watch out for false friends. In English, political doesn't always imply something negative, but in
Deutsch,
it can have a more serious tone.
That's interesting. So how do we use
politisch,
in sentences?
Great question.
politisch,
Is an adjective, so you can describe nouns with it. For example,
das politische System,
means the political system. In plural, you would say
die politischen Systeme,
when using it in comparative form, you can say
politischer,
for more political and
am politischsten,
for most political.
I see. What about the gender?
Since
politisch,
is an adjective, it takes the gender of the noun it describes. For example,
der Politiker,
is masculine, and
die Politikerin,
is feminine, both meaning politician.
That's clear. Where does the word
politisch,
come from?
The word has its roots in the Latin,
politicus,
which means of citizens or civil. It has evolved through Old High German and Middle High German, maintaining its focus on governance and society.
That's fascinating. So, it has a long history.
Yes, it really does. The evolution reflects how humans have organized themselves in societies.
Can we break down
politisch,
into smaller parts?
Absolutely. The root is,
polit,
which relates to the city or community, and the suffix
isch,
indicates a characteristic. So, together, it describes something that pertains to politics or community.
That makes sense.
Now, let's talk about similar words. There are many. For example,
Politiker,
which means politician. Then there's
Politik,
meaning politics, and
politisch aktiv,
which means politically active.
What about other prefixes or suffixes?
Good point. With the prefix, you can have
unpolitisch,
meaning apolitical. Also, consider
Politikberatung,
which means political consulting. The head last rule applies here, where the last noun determines the gender.
I see. What are some situations where I might use
politisch,
Here are 3 scenarios: discussing a political issue, debating a political opinion, or analyzing a political strategy. You might say,
Ich finde die politische Entscheidung schwierig.
for I find the political decision difficult.
Let me try.
die politische Entscheidung ist wichtig.
Perfect. That means the political decision is important.
What about formal and informal uses of
Politisch,
Politisch.
Can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Typical collocations include
Politische Diskussion.
political discussion,
Politische Meinung.
political opinion, and
Politische Entscheidung.
political decision. Just be careful not to confuse it with
Polite.
which is
Höflich. Deutsch.
got it. Could you give me more example sentences with
politisch,
sure. For example,
Hat eine politische Meinung.
means he has a political opinion. Another one is
Die politischen Themen sind wichtig für die Gesellschaft.
which translates to the political topics are important for society.
I like those.
Here's another one.
Wir haben in der letzten Wahl politisch abgestimmt.
Meaning we voted politically in the last election.
That's a good one.
How about this?
Politisch aktiv zu sein, ist wichtig für die Demokratie.
Which means being politically active is important for democracy.
That's true.
Let's do a quick recall check. What's the English meaning of
Politisch.
It means political.
correct? How do you say politician in
Deutsch.
That's
Politiker,
well done? What's the comparative form of
Politisch.
I think it's
politischer,
yes? How about a sentence using
Politisch aktiv.
ich bin politisch aktiv.
perfect? And one last question, what does
Unpolitisch.
mean?
It means apolitical.
Great job today, Sam. Remember,
Politisch.
is a versatile word that can help you discuss many important topics. Keep practicing.
Thanks, Alex. I learned a lot about
Politisch.
today.